Good morning, everyone. It's Vanessa coming to you from central Minnesota. We got walloped with rain again last night, but it's a beautiful morning. We're going to reach a high of about 70, and yeah, we have a little surprise. After milking the cow, I brought the milk up to the house to strain it and get it in the fridge, and my husband came back up and says we have a little surprise. Let's go see what it is. Ellie had a calf. Oh my goodness. Hi. Hi, Stink.